It's another Los Angeles vlog. This time we're talking ham radio. Stick around. Hello everybody and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. We're still out here in Los Angeles, California this weekend. What a wonderful place to stay here in downtown LA. Pretty cool rooftop setup here. Boy, I wish I had some HF gear. We'd have some fun, but nonetheless, I do have my Yaesu FT5D here with me. We're going to try to make a contact, but before we do, just take a look at this view. There's downtown Los Angeles, California right there, folks. Really pretty skyline. Say what you want about the politics. I don't think politics is a problem here as far as the way most people feel. This is my second time to Los Angeles, twice in 2 years, and not a single person has bothered me about politics here. Not one single time. So to give you a little perspective on the location here, of course, right there in front of you is downtown Los Angeles. Pulling up my map here so I can get some better bearings. I think I have a general idea of where things are, but I want to be sure. Alright, so as of this recording, the Dodgers, Los Angeles Dodgers, are playing in the World Series against the Toronto Blue Jays, and their stadium is over in that direction. You can't see the lights from here, obviously, but it's over in that direction. Back over this way, and you really can't see anything from here that helps with that indication, but back over this way would be Hollywood and Burbank and all that area. I did get the opportunity to go to Burbank yesterday. Saw a taping of the Jennifer Hudson show, and no, that wasn't necessarily by choice. That wouldn't have been my first choice of tapings to watch, but a friend of mine, his cousin is a photographer for the show, so we were able to get the VIP treatment. You can see a few pictures taken here in this slideshow. I was not able to take those pictures. Those pictures were taken by my friend's cousin. Unfortunately, that is a quiet place. You are not allowed to take pictures or film on the Warner Brothers lot. But got to see that. Got to see her and her guest Venus Williams, as well as there was a Latina artist that was there. Don't recognize her. Didn't recognize her name or information at all. But really great time. I'm a TV nerd, so that was really cool. Really cool experience. As a matter of fact, I told my buddy David, I said, I think I could go out there and technical direct this show right now if I wanted to, and do just fine. It's been a while since I've been behind a physical switcher like that, but I think I could do it. So to give you a little idea, I'm here for Adobe Max, and that building over straight across behind that big tall sign, that is the Los Angeles Convention Center. I'll see if I can zoom in on it for you. Yes, right there behind that big old sign, that's the Los Angeles Convention Center. That is where our convention is. It is the Adobe Max convention, talking about all the Adobe products. Photoshop, Premiere, Frame.io, the list goes on Firefly, etc., etc. Really cool stuff coming down the pike for those products, so check out some of my other videos where I show some of that. Now there's a hotel right off here in the distance. I'm pointing straight at it. You can see it says Hotel Indigo. That is the hotel me and David stayed in 2 years ago when we were out here for Adobe Max. So, guys, I love to visit Los Angeles. I would never ever want to live here, but I love Los Angeles. It's such a great town to visit. So what we're going to do, we're going to follow HamRadio 2.0's typical advice. And you may wonder, I'm outside short sleeves, I've got shorts on, all this stuff. It is a couple of days from the start of November, and it was 93 degrees here today. So super hot. I know I talked to my wife back home, and she was in she was in a sweater, and it was raining today. It was cold at home. So I'm getting my last taste of summer here for 2025, I guess. But anyway, without further ado, we're going to follow the advice of HamRadio 2.0 KC5 HWB and key up a repeater. Key up a repeater and see who we might can talk to. So give me a minute. I'm going to do some Googling, find out what the most popular repeater is here in Los Angeles, and we're going to key it up. All right, guys, so after doing some research, tried a couple of repeaters that said that they were quite popular, and it was just no luck. No luck whatsoever. Could not get those repeaters awake. So here's what we're going to do. We have the 147.075 with a tone of 100 hertz. This is the Hollywood repeater. Now I'm about 5-7 miles as the crow flies from Hollywood, so let's see how it sounds. This is AA4WX. No answer. Let's try another. Let's try it a different way. AA4WX Alpha 4 Whiskey X-ray, in town visiting from Tennessee. Anyone on frequency for a quick QSO? So we got a call back, but it's inaudible. Station calling, you were not audible. You were down in the noise. Maybe try boosting your power and try it again there. AA4WX.
KG6BXY, La Cañada, California.
I believe it was KG6QSY. Good evening. Name is Josh, Juliet Oscar Sierra Hotel. My location is downtown Los Angeles here. Originally from Knoxville, Tennessee, and out here visiting for the balance of the week, here for the Adobe conference at downtown LA Convention Center. Operating here on a Yaesu FT5D, sitting here on the rooftop of our Airbnb. Over.
Okay, just visiting. Well, welcome to California. This is Kilo 6 Victor X-Ray Yankee in La Cañada, which is about 10 miles north of you in the foothills.
Okay. Well, roger that. This is my second time visiting out here. I came out here about, almost exactly 2 years ago for the convention, and we're back out here this year. I believe we may make this a yearly tradition. It's been a great experience, but y'all have a nice area here. Really enjoyed my visit 2 years ago, and enjoying it here this far. So far this time. We'll be here until Thursday, and flying back to Tennessee on Thursday night on a red eye. Get home in time for the Halloween festivities, so to speak. But anyway, I have a YouTube channel called HamShackTV, And one of the things that I try to do, and I share with, I don't know if you watch any ham radio content on YouTube, but one of the more popular YouTubers, HamRadio 2.0, has a challenge to key up a repeater at least once a day. So especially when I'm traveling, I try to meet that challenge. So this past weekend I was in Detroit, Michigan, and had a good QSO with somebody up there, and here we are in Los Angeles doing it once again. So appreciate you coming back to me there. AA4WX.
Okay, so this is one of the weaker repeaters that you're hitting out there in Hollywood, at least for most of LA County. You might want to try Mount Wilson or Mount Lucas next time for more coverage.
Yeah, it's a Roger. I asked Google what the most popular repeater would be, and it came up with a couple of options here, and neither one of them I could raise for whatever reason. And I'll tell you what those are. Give me a second here to open my phone up. One was the KW6 USA machine, 147450, and the other one was the K6 MWT machine, 147.435. So I'm not quite sure where those are located, but yeah, I couldn't get either one of those raised.
Yeah, it looks like the environment has changed here. I'm just getting nothing but white noise and an occasional vocal, so I can't make you out. Anyway, try those other repeaters. I'll probably be monitoring them for a few more minutes anyway before I hit the stack. Okay,
KK6VXY AA4WX. Roger. All right, well, I moved locations, so that may be why it got a little noisy. Let me go back to my original location here. KK6VXY AA4WX. All right, appreciate it, and we may go up there and give those a try. I'm sitting here looking at the Hollywood Hills right now, so that's probably why I was reaching it a little better. All right, my friend, 73, hope to work you again down the band. AA4WX.
73.
All right, guys, so that's how it's done. So, a little noisy, but you got to think, too, here in a major metropolitan area, there is a crap ton of RF. I mean, a crap ton of RF. So, that may have been part of the challenge here, but hey, we met HamRadio 2.0's challenge. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. More content from here in Los Angeles. I'll probably do a full breakdown of the whole trip when I get back to Tennessee. This is it for me this year. The final trip for me. I don't think I have anything else planned. So we're going to stick at home for the holidays this year. And then come February, we'll be heading down to Florida, Orlando, Florida for Hamcation. So we're looking forward to that. Guys, I can't thank you so much enough. Appreciate your support. Appreciate you subscribing to HamShackTV. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, guys. Helps the channel out. I'm not a perfect YouTuber, but I'm constantly trying to make it better so that y'all enjoy the content better. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.